Guys, we're coming back to Tech Time with you again. 2005 Xterra. Thank you. Alright, first of all, you do is there's 2 clips here. Just unclip it and take out the old filter and put the new filter back in. That's all it is. All you need to do, just basic. So here it is. It's 1, 2, and just lift it up. And you can see there's the old one here. And here's what it looks like. Definitely you need to change this. Too dirty. Maybe that's the reason why the mass airflow sensor is not working. Seriously, video. Got some pretty clean inside, so I'll just put in the new one in. Guys, I would recommend when you change the air filter, I would say take out the old filter before you put the new air filter in. You should vacuum the inside of the air filter compartment. So it's pretty dirty, and what's it called? There's a lot of leaves in there also. I'm not sure how the leaves gets in there. Because the reason is you don't want any dirt or debris actually going to the mass airflow sensor. Basically, I got the new air filter. I actually bought it from the rockauto.com. That's where the website is, rockauto.com. And basically, I got this from it's a frame tough card. It's good for 12,000 to 20,000 miles. That's what it's good for. And the part number is PGA 7440. Alright, this is what it looks like. I want to do a comparison between the new one and the old one. That's very dirty. That's why I'm actually changing it. As you see, very dirty here, and it's gonna be a brand new one. It will color run much better, smoother. And let's do it really quick, guys. Before you you're gonna put in the new air filter, but as you can see on the back of it, basically the opposite side of the clips, the one you take out, and there's 3 slots, and you want to insert the tab into the slot, and then you put the clips in. Just want to make sure you're doing that, not to put the clip in and just left the slot over there and the tab open. Okay, we're gonna put the new air filter in. I can see there's a top and bottom. There's a lip here for the top. Nice snugly fit. You see, I just want to show you just where the slot is right here and the tab. So you just want to push it right in here. You can see that's all you need to do. There's gonna be 3 of them, one here, one in the middle, and one on the other side. Okay. We should put a snapback in it right here. There's 2 of them, one left, one on the right.